Driver Behavior Monitoring System. Our system consists of 4 major modules that are drowsiness detection, yawning detection, facial expression detection, and mobile detection. Let's begin our demonstration with drowsiness detection. Drowsiness is detected based on the eye closeness of the driver. When eye threshold go below 0.3 for 10 consecutive frames, it will start showing a drowsiness alert. Let's begin with yawning detection. Based on mouth openness, it will detect a yawn, and when the threshold goes above 28, it will show a yawning alert. Let's begin with mobile detection. Whenever an object like a mobile is detected, it will start showing a cell phone alert, which prevents the driver from using a mobile while driving, which helps in reducing accidents caused by cell phone calls while driving. Let's go for last module, that is emotion detection. There are 3 major emotions detected that are happy, angry, and neutral. This will help us prevent accidents caused by the mood of the driver, as an unpleasant mood may cause rough driving. The major tech stack involved are Python, YOLO, V8, and OpenCV. Thank you. We hope you enjoy our project demo.